Your data stack is burning money, and most teams don't find out until the invoice arrives. Today, we're tearing down two of the most powerful lakehouse platforms on the market, Databricks and BigQuery. We're exposing how their compute isolation architectures behave when ETL, ML training, and BI dashboards run simultaneously. Pillar 1. The core problem. Both platforms promise a unified layer where data engineering, data science, and analytics coexist without friction. Databricks markets its Lakehouse as an open, compute-flexible runtime built on Apache Spark and Delta Lake. BigQuery positions itself as a serverless, auto-scaling SQL engine. Neither promise holds cleanly under real mixed workload pressure. Pillar 2. Architecture reality check. Databricks runs on cluster-based compute, so each workload type typically needs its own cluster pool to avoid contention. Auto-scaling helps, but cold start latency on new worker nodes can run several minutes, punishing for interactive BI queries. BigQuery uses a shared slot pool by default, meaning a heavy ML scan can silently starve dashboard queries unless you buy reserved slot commitments. Slot reservations start at a 100-slot minimum, and workload isolation via assignments adds architectural complexity most SMB teams underestimate. Pillar 3. The hidden cost. On Databricks, the real billing shock comes from DBU consumption on all-purpose clusters, billed at a premium rate even during idle periods if auto-termination isn't configured precisely. On BigQuery, on-demand pricing per terabyte scanned sounds cheap until an unoptimized ML feature pipeline scans dozens of terabytes in a single run. Neither platform surfaces these cost trajectories clearly during onboarding. You discover them at scale. Pillar 4. The logical verdict. If your team runs heavy ML workloads alongside real-time BI, Databricks gives you stronger compute isolation, but only if you invest in proper cluster architecture up front. If your workloads are SQL-heavy and your team lacks infrastructure expertise, BigQuery's serverless model wins on simplicity, but budget for slot reservations from day one. The wrong choice here isn't about features, it's about which billing model blindsides you last. Check the links in the description for official pricing calculators and documentation on both platforms. Subscribe for more cold cost to value teardowns every week.